Oh, what's going off immediately?
The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Johnson County in southeastern Nebraska.
Didn't take long at
County
all.
in southeastern Nebraska. Southeastern Odo County in southeastern Nebraska. Western Richardson County in southeastern Nebraska. Northeastern Pawnee County in southeastern Nebraska. The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for. A severe thunderstorm was located 3 miles south of Humboldt, or 11 miles east of Pawnee City, moving north at 55 miles per hour. In southeastern Nebraska. Western Richardson miles per hour in Nebraska. Northeastern Pawnee County in southeastern Nebraska until 4 p.m. Impact. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. A severe thunderstorm was located 3 miles south of Humboldt, or 11 miles east of Pawnee City, moving north at 55 miles per hour. Nebraska City. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is the Highway 62 and 105 junction. Hail damage to Highway 75 and 8 junction. Expect wind damage to recreation area. Peru and Julian. Locations in for your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. for the following Highway 62 and 105 junction. Omaha, Highway 75 and 8 junction. Dunbar, Kirkman's Cove Recreation Area, Peru, and Julian. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. for the following counties. Nebraska, Johnson, Omaha, Odo, Pawnee, and Richardson. From 1 a.m. to 1 p.m. Saturday. 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to
Oh, those went off at the same time. That didn't take long. That didn't take long at all for us to get our first warning today.
Is the place that it lets you try
I think I may know what.
especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution.
I don't know.
The national.
This station might go off too. Hang on, let me check real quick. Thanks. I don't know about this one here. The alert is right here. Oh, 97.7 went off too, I bet. But they probably already relayed that already. Here, unless if they... Stop that real quick. I'm gonna take a look. Like our usual... Our good friends over there in 95.1 and KRKR is probably gonna go off for this. Yep, what'd I tell you?
Or 11 miles east of Pawnee City, moving north at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dawson, Nebraska City, Johnson, Lorton, Talmadge, Humboldt, Auburn, Duck Creek Recreation Area, Brock, the Highway 62 and 105 Junction, Howe, the Highway 75 and 8 Junction, Dunbar, Kirkman's Cove Recreation Area, Peru, and Julian. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Johnson, Omaha, Odo, Pawnee, and Richardson.
The teams stay there. They're all about the racers. So that's where the racers stand. I think that's what their slogan is.
All right, now hang on a second. I just got a notification, that severe thunderstorm watch 31 was also issued, and it looks like OAS. Here we go. I don't know who it's for. Oh, it's gonna be another alert coming in.
Saunders, Washington,
So
Thurston, Lancaster, Saline, and Seward
looks like that
counties.
severe thunderstorm warning is not gonna be the only thing we're
1 to
getting.
1 p.m. Saturday.
Now we got severe thunderstorm watch 31. And I gotta join the boys.
National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Johnson County in southeastern Nebraska, New Mahal County in southeastern Nebraska, southeastern Odo County in southeastern Nebraska, western Richardson County in southeastern Nebraska, northeastern Pawnee County in southeastern Nebraska until 4 p.m. At 3:13 p.m.
That one.
Severe thunderstorm watch number 31, effective until 10 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Nebraska: Butler, Cass, Gage, Johnson, Lancaster, Odo, Saline, Sarpy, Saunders, and Seward. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 31 has been issued until 10 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Butler, Cass, Gage, Johnson, Lancaster, Odo, Saline, Sarpy, Saunders, and Seward. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 4 p.m. for northeastern Johnson.
Well, that's a good thing I didn't it's a good thing I didn't turn off my camera.
You got the buffer, right?
That's a racer. It's 45 north time. It's 49.9.
Good thing I didn't turn on my camera there. I did end up catching that other warning that they issued here. Oh guys, here we go. Already 8 minutes in this recording. Not only did we get that severe thunderstorm warning that they also issued, but they also issued that severe thunderstorm watch. Okay. Initially, it was not even near this area. They issued a... Okay. Hang on, listen. All right, look. 1:02 p.m., right? It's currently 3:22. And they issued this missile scale discussion around, 2 hours ago. The watch probability was 95%, so I knew they were going to issue this watch. And look, the area is not even in it. It was not even close to being a part over here. So, I guess it's just, by the way, about how this cell, I guess they just, because obviously this cell is going to hit this area, obviously for sure, but I guess they decided to expand it a little bit. But here we go. Finally, we're gonna get something other than blizzards and local area emergencies. Finally, we're gonna be getting something today. Oh. Set it.
Thunderstorm warning for Lancaster, southeastern Nebraska, northwestern Johnson County, and southeastern Nebraska. southeastern Odo County and southeastern
To go somewhere with what's wow,
southeastern Nebraska, southwestern Cass County in southeastern Nebraska, until 4:15 p.m. 3:33 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from 4 miles southeast of Sterling to 3 miles north of Signal, 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and 5 hail. With a radar indicator red. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roof. Locations impacted include Lincoln Airport, Space Speed Recreation Area, Elmira, Emerald, and North Wagon Crane Speed Recreation Area, Racing, Pittsburgh. This includes Interstate 80 in Nebraska between mile markers 395 and 399. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Heating. Your thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Johnson, Lancaster, and Odo. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 4 p.m. for northeastern Johnson, southeastern Plato, northwestern Richardson, and northeastern Pawnee counties. 4:45 p.m.
I actually gotta get out of here, so
3:55 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Mills to 4 miles north of Summerfield, moving north at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. This is a radar indicated threat. Impact. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Crab Orchard, Swanson, Endicott, Wymore, Alexandria State Recreation Area, Homestead National Historical Park, Harbine, Liberty, Dickin, Ellis, Holmesville, Diller, Crystal Springs Campground, Buckley Creek Recreational Area, Jensen, Lewiston, Odell, Gladstone, Vista, and Barneston. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Gage, Jefferson, Johnson, Pawnee, and Saline. Thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 4:15 p.m. for southern Lancaster, north. The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Fremont County in southwestern Iowa, Southern Mills County in southwestern Iowa, Central Odo County in southeastern Nebraska, Eastern Cass County in southeastern Nebraska until 5 p.m. At 4:07 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 3 miles north to 4
Fremont County in southwestern Iowa, Southern Mills County in southwestern Iowa, Central Odo County in southwestern
wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Camp Catron, Lawton,
I can't hold that straight.
quarter-size hail. This is a radar indicated threat.
Sherman, Nebraska City, Hastings, Farragut, Sydney, and Wabansie State Park. This includes Interstate 29 between mile markers 1 and 32. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa, Fremont and Mills, and the following counties in Nebraska, Cass and Odo.
Oh, you got a doubleheader here. Almost forgot about you. Might go up again.
Thunderstorm warning for southwestern Sarpy County, Lancaster County in southeastern Nebraska, eastern Seward County in southeastern Nebraska, northwestern Odo County in southeastern Nebraska, northeastern Saline County.
Let's see if I can find a charger for this freaking thing.
Southeastern Butler County, southern Saunders County, western Cass County in southeastern Nebraska until 5 p.m. At 4:09 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 4 miles east of Crete to 2 miles south of Syracuse, moving north at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 16 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a
Hear it booming.
Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected.
Here's the sand dune charger.
Damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
Sorry guys, just trying
Locations impacted
to adjust some
Lincoln
things.
Airport, Davie, Murdoch, Denton, Panama,
That's what happens when you live in a blended family.
Wagon Train Recreation Area, Camp Carroll, Joy Hauling, Lincoln, Unadilla, Eagle, Elmwood, Greenwood, Yankee Hill Lake, Cedar Creek, Pawnee State Recreation Area, Walton, Bennett, and Gretna. People attending Lincoln Municipal Airport should seek safe shelter immediately. This includes
Wait for that sucker.
in the
Hang on.
between mile marker of 388 and 437. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5
Wait,
p.m.
okay.
for the following counties.
How's it going off? Oh wait.
Butler, Cass, Lancaster,
Okay, now.
Saline, Sarpy, Saunders, and Sword. A
right.
severe thunderstorm warning remains.
Whoa, you see that?
4:45 p.m. for southwestern Johnson, Jefferson, southern Saline, western Pawnee, and Gage counties.
Here, that's the one. I'm gonna do this. Oh, you can just barely hear that one.
Stars moving. That's what I'm wanting more. In my back.
Ooh, that was a bolt of lightning. Not Lightning McQueen, in case you're wondering.
Line.
Well, that one's going off. So.
Beacon of light revealing to Abram a future.
The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Sarpy County, Lancaster County in southeastern Nebraska, eastern Seward County in southeastern Nebraska, northwestern Odo County in southeastern Nebraska, northeastern Saline County in southeastern Nebraska, southeastern Butler County, southern Saunders County, western Cass County in southeastern Nebraska until 5 p.m. At 4:09 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 4 miles east of Crete to 2 miles south of Syracuse, moving north at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
It's a boom.
This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lincoln Airport, Davie, Murdoch, Denton, Panama, Syracuse, Memphis, Wagon Train State Recreation Area, Camp Carroll, Joy Hauling, Lincoln, Unadilla, Eagle, Elmwood, Greenwood, Yankee Hill Lake, Cedar Creek, Pawnee State Recreation Area, Walton, Bennett, and Gretna. People attending Lincoln Municipal Airport should seek safe shelter immediately. This includes Interstate 80 in Nebraska between mile markers 388 and 437. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Butler.
Oh. Cut. Just saw another flash of lightning out there. Like, Jesus, man. It's crazy out there currently. You can just hear the monstrous roar. You just hear it. You just see the room just shaking. Keep this up here for now, as long as it stays. Did I seriously not grab the freaking charger for the freaking HR? Yeah, it's just the rush of trying to beat the weather. It's just the rush, trying to beat the weather, and you just forget everything. So I think they might have a fresh patch of batteries. I mean, it's just the adrenaline about trying to beat this weather. You can see the raindrops starting to come down now. You can hear the raindrops already. The connection here is not the greatest, so I'm going to attempt here. I'm gonna end that recording soon because I don't want to save up a bunch of storage. I know there's a file I can delete. You can just hear it, just booming. So I gotta try to at least, if I can have at least a pair of batteries for this HH here. Just for some stupid reason, I somehow forgot to grab the freaking charger for it. I swear I grabbed 2 chargers. Might have just been from my computer or my Samsung, but I didn't know I brought a charger over for my WJON. I know that for sure, but God, it's still frustrating, especially when you're trying to beat this weather. This is life as an EAS enthusiast, people.
Locations impacted include Red Oak, College Springs, Stanton, Coburg, Bradyville, Blanchard, Shembaugh, Hepburn, Clarinda, Coyne, Pierce Recreation Area, Northborough, Shenandoah, Villisca, Essex, Tacklebarney Woods County Park, Viking Lake State Park, Yorktown, and Imogene. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following
hear it booming.
counties in Iowa, Fremont, Mills, Montgomery, and Page. High wind warning information for the following counties.
Well, there's that off of... Jesus Christ, I thought I heard something. Okay.
After the voice had spoken.
Jeez, dude.
300 right now for a
It's gonna be one of those events, isn't it?
call.
Surprised you're not missing that one. I saw lightning
Find your
again.
prescription on storm catcher.
Southeast Long.
Okay. I think that was also an Iowa station that I tried to get. Oh, it's right here, I think.
Neuromuscular disease.
Giving up fish fry favorites for over 40 years.
Oh my goodness, there's gonna got a lot of lightning storms currently right now. I mean, I just cleared up storage, but you just hear them thunderous power coming from these storms here. Yeah, that's wild. I mean, hold on a second. What the? Oh! Uh-oh. Oh, come on. Are you serious? This dang thing. Oh, are you kidding me? How did... This dang thing got tangled. What the frick? Are you serious? Oh, Bo, you have got to be kidding me right now. How did this thing... Oh, I know why. Oh, no. Oh, here we go. Come on now. What? How is this thing... Look at this. How is this tangled? What the... How? What the frick, dude? How did it get tangled like that? Oh my gosh. How did it get tangled up with that? The thing is, what in the world? Jesus. I'm trying to figure out what this dang alert is, and this thing was tangled. God.
Historical Village Welcome Center, Narrows River Park, Underwood.
Surprisingly, it's still attached. That was most bizarre thing that has ever happened.
This includes the following highways. Interstate 29 between...
Wait a minute.
And 40. Interstate 80 in Nebraska.
Oh, it's for both stations. I didn't know.
472 and 400.
Oh, you...
A severe thunderstorm warning.
Another SVR.
Until 5:15 p.m. for the following counties. In Nebraska, Burke, Don, Douglas, Sarpy, Saunders, and Washington. In the following counties. High wind warning information.
Dude, did you guys end up seeing this? This thing and somehow got tangled with this freaking blind line here. How in the world did that happen? That was probably the most bizarre thing I've ever seen. I am surprised as you guys that the antenna was able to survive.
I will use.
Sure, that station just went off, right? I don't feel so sure with some of these stations here. This lightning in the distance again. Maybe at least see if I can get a lightning strike here for a thumbnail.
South Central Elbert County, Washington County, Dodge County, Douglas County, Saunders County until 5:15 p.m. At 4:24 p.m., thunderstorms were located along a line extending
See if
from
we can get a lightning strike here.
2 miles northeast of Emerson.
Bah.
This hazards include 60 miles per hour with gusts and nickel-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact.
This will be a great thumbnail.
Damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Two Rivers State Recreation Area, Millard, Council Bluffs Airport, Florence, Tennant, Ralston, Inglewood, Mission Bend Recreation Area, Winslow, Chickland Lake, Arlington, Historical Village Welcome Center, Narrows River Park, Underwood, Benson, Standing Bear Lake, Glenwood,
I want you to try to get 95.1 up, but at the same time, I do not want to miss a freaking strike. There was a small one there.
Interstate 80 in Iowa between mile markers 1 and 40. Interstate 80 in Nebraska between mile markers 432 and 454. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm.
I don't know if that got it there.
Interstate 80 in Iowa between mile markers 1 and 40. Interstate 80 in Nebraska between mile markers 432 and 454. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning
Thanks.
which is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Lincoln Airport, Davie, Murdoch, Denton, Panama, Syracuse, Memphis.
Gonna record just a little bit, see if we can get a lightning strike here for a thumbnail.
Lincoln, Unadilla, Eagle, Elmwood,
Whether it being
Yankee,
a craziness one or just a regular thumbnail.
Recreation Area, Walton, Bennett, and Gretna. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 5 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Butler, Cass, Lancaster, Odo, Saline, Sarpy, Saunders, and Seward.
I don't think there's gonna be one.
A severe thunderstorm
Watch, if I turn around,
effect until 5 p.m. for Fremont, Southern
there will be a monstrous strike that just shoots across from here to here, like a huge lightning streak from here to there. And I want to see if there's any other alerts that I might have missed. No, those were the only ones. But hang on, there was something that I did end up seeing. Let me take a look at that real quick.
Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Camp Catron, Lorton, Talmadge, Beaver Lake, Riverton.
Saw a notification. There was like a local area emergency. I don't know what that is from.
Randolph.
But I swear to God, if it ends up being in Nebraska again, I'm gonna freaking cry.
Bonsi State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in
Whatever that was might have been a good thumbnail. I don't know what it was.
counties in Iowa, Fremont, and Mills, and the following counties in Nebraska, Cass, and Odo. Wind advisory information for the following counties in Nebraska: Berg, Butler, Dodge, Saunders, Seward, Thurston, and Washington. Wind advisory remains in effect from 1 a.m. to 1 p.m. Saturday.
Okay, no, false alarm. That is just for
Winds 25 to
Arizona.
35 miles
For
per
whatever
hour with
reason.
gusts up to 50 miles per hour expected. Where? In Iowa, Monona County. In Nebraska, Berg, Butler, Dodge,
Well,
Washington, Thurston, and
I already have like
counties.
4 10-minute segments of this already, and you guys have been bored out by this.
Impacts.
I'll make sure to, make shorter videos now so I can save up that storage. Also see what that frame was and see if that's good for the thumbnail or not.
The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Montgomery County in southwestern Iowa, eastern Potawatomi County in southwestern Iowa, southeastern Shelby County in southwestern Iowa until 5:30 p.m.
What's this?
The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe
Turned you off, son of a gun.
southwestern Iowa, northeastern Burke County, southeastern Thurston County, and northeastern Nebraska until 6:30 p.m. At 5:40 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Urbella to Craig, moving more than 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Turin, Ontario, Warren, Lewis and Clark State Park, Rodney, Butte, Gastana, Mapleton, Moorhead, Preparation Canyon State Park, Little Sioux Scout Ranch, Macy, Brookhall, Decatur, Whiting.
Ah, this thing is.
Lewis and Clark State Park, Rodney, Butte, Gastana, Mapleton.
This is why I put batteries in it.
Preparation Canyon State Park, Little Sioux Scout Ranch.
The thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska, Burke and Thurston, and Harrison, Iowa.
Includes Interstate 29 between mile markers 100 and 125. For your protection, carry a room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska, Burke and Thurston, and Harrison, Iowa.
So apparently when I try to get that other station, when I try to get that warning from that other station on WNG 549, apparently that's also WSM 20. What?
The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Harrison County in southwestern Iowa, southeastern Burke County, northwestern Washington County until 6:45 p.m. At 5:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Tequila.
The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Harrison County in southwestern Iowa, southeastern Burke County, northwestern Washington County until 6:45 p.m.
Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Summit Lake State Recreation Area, Pelican Point State Recreation Area, Takema, Herman, and Craig. This includes Interstate 29 between mile markers 97 and 99. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska, Burke and Washington, and Harrison, Iowa.
Includes Interstate 29 between mile markers 97 and 99. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska.
God, that thing is so bad. Saw another one in effect. Hang on a second.
In Nebraska, Bird, Butler,
Okay. Never mind.
I'm Emily Campani.
Life 100.
Oh. What is this?
The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a
Oh.
southwestern Iowa, southeastern Burt County.
I was about to say, is it the one for Stanton and Wayne?
Until 6:45 p.m. At 5:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Takema, moving north at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Summit Lake State Recreation Area, Pelican Point State Recreation Area, Takema, Herman, and Craig. This includes Interstate 29 between mile markers 97 and 99. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska, Burt and Washington, and Harrison, Iowa.
Alright, I guess that station's kind of like 95.1 for us. I'm gonna test something though. Speaking of which, wait a minute. Actually, oh wow, that's surprising. Oh wow. Okay.
County, southeastern Cumming County in northeastern Nebraska.
Wait a minute. Oh my god! It's another one.
6:03 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along
Holy
the line
cow.
extending from 6 miles east of Hupper to 7 miles northeast of York.
Nope. Now we're getting the other edge of it now.
Northern Dodge County until 6:45 p.m.
Jesus.
Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Lyons, Dead
Did
Timber,
not expect another one to get issued.
Wingo, Scribner, Hupper, Ewing, West Point, Snyder, and Oakland. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska, Burt, Cumming, and Darch.
Ewing, West Point, Snyder, and Oakland. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the
10
building.
p.m. for the
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning is issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties.
severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m.
Caleb.
Turned you off, you piece of crap.
Oh my God.
Did not expect all of this to happen at once.
It's gonna be physical. It's gonna be.
Okay.
Subs in the game.
Wait a minute. Thought I heard something. I think it was this station that went off the first time. I think. Okay, well, I did not expect to get two of these things. Okay, Hastings just strong thunderstorm and Polk. Des Moines probably getting destroyed right now. Not exactly at the moment. I know Des Moines definitely going to get obliterated. How is St. Louis holding up though? I know St. Louis is like. I mean, it's not too bad at the moment. I mean, there's a tornado watch, so not a huge surprise there. So. Was it 107.3, I think? Actually, I don't think. No, that's 100. That's 103.7. What am I saying? I think it was a different one.
They're gonna have to get.
Keep looking. Oh. I don't know why, it sounded like an EOM. That station might be going on now. There it goes.
5 miles per hour.
I knew it was gonna go off eventually.
Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar indicated threat. Impact. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Lyons, Dead Timber State Recreation Area, Winslow, Scribner, Hupper, Ewing, West Point, Snyder, and Oakland. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Byrd, Cumming, and Dodge.
Alright, well, we take a look right here at the moment. Things have calmed down. Seems like we just got the edge of the storm on that one. But, what do you know? Another one of these events ends up in the most anticlimactic way.